Hi guys, what's up? Thank you for watching Airbnb tour in Japan. I'm home at this Airbnb listed pool and art house in Okinawa Prefecture. It's located on Onna District. It takes about 1 hour by car from Naha Airport. It takes about 2 minutes by car to Onnason Main Street. As you can see, there is golf course next to this pool house, and this golf course hosted Japan PGA tournaments every November. If you want to check out this place for yourself, the link of Airbnb is down below. Welcome everybody that's new to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and like and share this video. I'm going to show you Airbnb posted unique style house in Japan. So let's jump into this tour. This house is so beautiful and called Ryukyu Style House at the top of the hill. You can park up to 2 cars. It's a one-story building where you can see the traditional Okinawa red roof tiles and the guardian deity Sisa. The signboard of this house is displayed on the beautiful Ryukyu limestone. How convenient it is! The vending machine next to it. Let's jump into the inside. You can see the pool as soon as you go inside. Then you can see living room on your left. The floors, pillars, and beams are made of solid wood and are really beautiful. The living room is unified with a tropical couch set. The walls are decorated with artistic potteries, making it a very luxurious living room. You can access the pool from the living room. The size of the pool is 10 feet wide, 16 feet long, and 4 feet deep. In front of the pool, it's a barrier with trees, so it's a private space. This pool can be heated from November 1st to March 31. Even if you can't swim in the sea, you can still enjoy it in this pool. The Okinawa red roof tiles seen from the pool are very bountiful. Let's go back to the room tour. There is a Japanese-style room on the right side of the entrance. The first thing you can see is a big cherry blossom drawn on the fusuma sliding doors. In addition, beautiful flowers are drawn on the shoji. There is a synergistic effect when exposed to sunlight. Ryukyu pattern cushions are laid in the 16 Ryukyu tatami mats in this room. The upper part of the fusuma is open. Fusuma justified a large space. You can see the outside when you go out from the room to Engawa. Then, go to the second Japanese-style room. This is also a space of 16 Ryukyu tatami mats. Here you can see a powerful and amazing weeping cherry trees drawn on the back side of the fusuma sliding door. I like this painting the best of all the works in this house. The other works are displayed on Tokonoma. Looking out from this room, you can see the backyard. You can rent a barbecue set for a fee, so you enjoyed it here. Head to the pool from the backyard. There is a shower outside, so it's very convenient. Next, let's look at the bedroom on the left from the entrance. There is a luxurious king-size bed with mosquito net. The bed light is a glass art piece and is very beautiful. The bed is a Simmons bed used in many luxury hotels. The design is very great. Why not experience a good night's sleep and peace here? Of course, you can sleep on futon in the Japanese-style room. Next, let's look at the kitchen. There's a refrigerator, microwave, and toaster oven. There's an IH stove. There's an electric kettle. There are many cups and glasses on the upper shelf. Each of them is an artwork and was made in Okinawa. It's so beautiful that you want to use it all. On the lower shelf, there are knife and fork, spoons, chopsticks, scissors, and so on. There are also many cups below it. Children's tableware is also available at the bottom. There are also pots and rice cookers on the shelf. Next to the kitchen, there is a washroom. There are beautiful mosaic tiles around the mirror. There is a gas dryer and a washing machine next to it. You can wash and dry your clothes immediately after playing in the pool. Many hangers are also available. The bathroom is new and very clean. This is with a jacuzzi. You can relax very much. At night, you will notice beautiful lightings. Japanese antique lighting is very suitable for this house. There are 2 restrooms in this house. The first is here, new and very clean. The second is here. This is also new, clean, and has works on display. The living room illuminated by indirect lighting and is very luxurious. These are the works of the Kinjo potters, one of which is a living national treasure. There are many other works in this house, so you can enjoy it very much. How was this pool in our house? I was so impressed by the luxurious facilities and beautiful works of art. My son said that the experience at the pool was the most enjoyable trip to Okinawa. I highly suggest to visit here. I think this is a 5-star Airbnb. Please tell me which part you like. I would be very happy if you could leave a comment below. See you again on this channel. Please subscribe.